Hey friends, if you wish to fix 100% disk usage on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. First of all, right click on the start button, select settings, go to Windows Update and check for updates. Make sure that each and every update is installed. Once this is sorted out, you can go to the Windows search bar and search for system configuration. Go to system configuration, go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services, disable or apply OK, and then restart your computer. I'll tell you what this does. This will disable all external services from the startup, and they will be executed only when you launch the associated program. So your system will be at the lightest level. After this, you can also try a disk cleanup. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of these boxes here. Click on OK and then on delete files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.